good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you're just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya, the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Today's video is a bit different. I will be doing a sit and talk / update with you guys. So basically, I'm going to be answering some of the most frequently asked questions, as well as the other day on my Instagram I did a Q&A, but I did not get to answer all you guys' questions on there, so I'm just going to input some of the questions here and give you all your answers. Guys, I kid you not, I had like 20 something questions, but I lowered it down to 15 simply because most of those questions were repetitive or rhetorical. But I really hope that I get the chance to answer one of your questions, yes you, and you like my response. First question: how is life? Life is good. Life is okay. I want to say life is great, but if I did, I would be lying, because let's face it, we are in the middle of a pandemic. And to be honest with you, this pandemic has low-key affected me, because like 70% of the plans that I had for myself for this year is now wiped out, cancelled. You know, but I mean, at the end of the day, everything happens for a reason. Also, I have one of the greatest things, which is life. So there's no room for me to ever be ungrateful, hence the reason why I say life is good. Next question: what keeps you going? As in general or on YouTube? Alright, I'm gonna answer both. So in general, what keeps me going, I feel like it is the drive that I have to become a better version of myself. Whereas on YouTube, what keeps me going, I feel like it is the fact that I could be an inspiration to one or even more persons around the entire world, as well as the fact that I am like a big help to people that watch my videos. Next question: what are your goals? Okay, so recently I learned that it's not good for you to put your business out there, especially if it is not in processing mode. So what I can tell you guys is I am basically going to work on myself. So in a nutshell, I'm going to work on myself. Like I said earlier, I'm like addicted in bettering myself. So like most of my goals are basically just me upgrading myself, uplifting myself, becoming a better person, becoming a better version of myself. Next question: do you have tattoos? No, I don't have any tattoos. I don't think I will even get any tattoos, simply because I feel like tattoos are too permanent for me, because I'm a very indecisive person, sad to say, because I will like something this moment, I will even love something this moment, and the next moment I don't want to have anything to do with it. And as y'all know, tattoos are with you for life, so I don't think so. But if I do, it would probably be like the micro tattoos, the small ass tattoos. I like those are cute, but for right now I don't think so. As well as I will never just go out there and get a tattoo like that. If I have tattoo, they have to have meanings, and not like birthdays or nothing like that. It has to have specific, like, great value with meanings behind it. Next question: do you have piercings? Yes, in fact I have those. I actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth one being the navel / belly button piercing. Next question: why are you neglecting your male subscribers? Guys, what? Me? Alright, let me not flex or act surprised, because In all honesty, I have been posting a lot of girly stuff recently, and I just want to say to my male subscribers that I am sorry. I love you guys and I thank you for your love and support. So because of this, I have decided to start posting 2 times per week. I'm now going to start posting on Mondays and on Fridays. But here's the thing, on Mondays it is going to be about beauty. Like, I'm gonna call it makeup Mondays. So on Mondays I'm going to like post makeup and beauty and stuff, and on Fridays, what can I can say Frisky Fridays, because on Fridays it's just going to be pure contents for both gender. And again, to my male subscribers, I am sorry for letting y'all feel that way, but as I said, I'm not going to start posting 2 times per week. So guys, please ensure to turn your post notification on so you are notified whenever I upload a video. As well as for my male subscribers, y'all need to DM me on Instagram, or whenever I have my Q&A, y'all need to send in the videos that you want to see, because I only have my females saying that, hey, they want me to do this type of video, they want me to do that type of video. So if y'all don't communicate with me, how can I give you what you want? But yeah, as I said, I'm now going to start posting 2 times per week, on Monday and on Friday. Monday being makeup Mondays, Friday being Frisky Fridays. So please ensure to comment down below, that's for my males, the videos that you'd like me to do. Next question, are you afraid of corona? I mean, it is killing millions of people, so yes, I am a tad bit afraid of corona. But if you're asking me as it regards to work, I am not really afraid of it as it regards to work, because I do take the necessary precautions there. I just get a tad bit irritated when persons around me don't take the necessary precautions there, but I feel like as long as I'm taking the necessary precaution, I will be fine. So next question, if someone was interested in you and asked for your number, what would you do? Sir, happy quarantine. Next question, where is the skincare routine? I'm still waiting on it. To be honest with you, my skincare routine right now is not even a skincare routine. I simply just shower and moisturize, like, honestly. But I was planning to buy some items because I'm going to work on my dark circles and getting an even skin tone on my face. So as soon as I start that routine and it seems as if it's working for me, I will definitely share it with you guys. But for right now, I just use pear soap and Cetaphil lotion. And I do want to make this clear, like, I don't come from a family that has like acne, so I don't really have acne problems and stuff like that. The most I do have is like this uneven skin tone as you're seeing here. But as soon as I start my skincare routine, I will definitely share it with you. Next question, what's your zodiac? I am a Cancer. Also, I was planning to do a zodiac tag, so I'm not sure if I'm going to still do that, because not a lot of people believe in astrology. So maybe I will, maybe I won't, but I am a Cancer baby. Next question, how old are you? I know I look 12, I've been saying this, but your girl is 22. My birthday is on June the 28th. Next question, are you single? I'm not though. Next question, do you have a boyfriend?
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. You in my business? Yeah, don't do that.
Last question. Are you in a relationship? If so, show us your boo. And the question like this goes on and on and on. So let me clear the air for you. Relationship is a really complex word right now, so I would say I am dating. So yes, I am seeing somebody with the main purpose being getting to know each other, getting to spend time with each other in hopes to build a committed relationship. Show us your boo. So if you guys get me to 1,000 subscribers before January 1st, I will definitely do a boyfriend tag. That is it from me in today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for your continuous love and support. If you haven't already, please remember to click that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive feedbacks. Also, follow me on all my socials at AYAFARRR. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.